Mbia mana sana umwanchi mulebeta seni kia Ndizi TV ne biro binde na indengo kwaliania asomoro belio Ense oboncherelia erinde togendera kwemanya nali agenda goncherelia ase sekte y'umwanchi muliani gatoro cyaba Kenya bagendete kwemurungania kegima kobwatkana no gukina kwa magoli y'ebintu anamona sense melie skali ya mafuta sabuni nabo iga sense mo y'umugati ndoro cyama tukabwango iga na kyaba Kenya bali bamenyete ase angeno mubaga o Tanzania bimukiri gitambukiro nago chikwenyorera ebintu by'eligolire Ense kegima asenseri ya Tanzania asibagendete kobole serikali na eregendera kuriye cinchira cyokorosi uchumi ya Kenya ekyagere batetenga uchumi ya Tanzania nera afadhali at least ibintu biri bikineta asensi ya Kenya asensi ya Tanzania ngo binyora bale asiligolire Ense kegima abo igo nase aboncherere bali bali gali asomo baga abonsi nabarabuni go bagendeta kwemburunga ningo boncherere bwabo nigo boiranire Ense ekyagera abamenyi bali bense meli bali kogole ibintu bono bali kubagula ibintu bakwenda gukia sense ya Tanzania bachikogole ibintu rero mwanchi mulele aina aragendeta kokolekana ase sector y'oboncherere ngo kwaligani bene ilinde tosange asomoro biliga agochakabona iga wika omoelio elitria ne Fridah Kerubo na stinsemo chichi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagatonyara wetera Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sensemeri ya YouTube wetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagatonyara wetera www.ndizitv.net umanchibuli na bagosanga na intokerenga likiago wetera sinambirga bwa screen yago litkolya resto kolyerelia ligoliri skali asensemo yago na bagotomanya aya sensemo yago sasedukeliyo chikogole skali ligoli nirenga likiriyo sanga na intwe wetera sema chimitandao ne nambirga bwa screen yago mwanchumulirire kerturo chengana manga gendeta kokolekana serikali ya Kenya kwanza kero kuliyelanga abakenya nigo bagendeta kwimukira ibirera nemono kera okubolya kwabeta gukurwe ne serikali ngam soko nachwa ebango asensemeli abakoli imirimo babonete banachwekerengo ya isato igoro yemya soko nyora kwabo nabo igoni gabakenya bange bagendeta kurwe birengerere byabo atwarira nene mona seba bwata nikoro wasabu mubwazimio la moja abere bago tukuterale finance bill ya Kenya kwanza hiyo rachweki uboswe bunge nabo igo babe bakwe kwanera guseko yeti nabo twarire bakuru birengere byabo kubwatikana no morobelo ibukwa gacha chinyomba chingi nabo gechiri golire Ense kegima yaba Kenya bagendeta gukwanira neyo ekere bakwane kinga monto menyete ko teba soro gongorwa Gusii na abwate nyomba ya kurororo oende mirimo yaye taganeti nyomba anda bangi babiri bagateba nga serikali ya Kenya kwanza nige bweneta kuri priorities yani bintu biri bitanga ni montaga neti asobuguma bwana baranyarenga inchege ntonga neti talinga ne nyomba anga neti bintu mbirore bitanga ni maybe abana baende school maybe ngole ndagira bintu mbiroro bingencho biyetani tie nyomba ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza ni bwenete kuri eri umorobele yo ani monekera batanga uno umorobele sine manifesto ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza ine ira yabetege kulia asogwikirani chinga kichobora ibwa igomba bweneta bali gichinjira chinya cyo kwenyorere besa kondo mwanchi mulira ndojugo sanga mange tumanye naki abamenyi ko rwase chinsemo abagendeta ko rubirengeri bya nawe mwanchi mulira nabo ko rukerengeri kyawo otomanye nga umurobere gabwe serikali asobwa gachibwe chinyumba chingia na ndetse kerengo y'Ense kigima soko nekinga abakoli imirimo ngo nacho bali cyabo 3% asoko nyora kwabo na kiyayo yoroche nere buyanga serikali gendere ko na cyabandu imishahara yabo ndi ko roche bintu bina bigendeta gukina kiralituko nabwo nabo ko rukerengere likiago asogokinya ebango asensemeli ya mafuta korwa 8% goika 16% nyoro mwanchi muliyele ekero banko sensemeli mafuta nigo yalinge 0% ekero oburayibwaye oyo kabiro murayibwe Ense Uhuru Kenyatta akabaga kwekinya goika 8% ngo abeta gukora mu nchirire ayabeta kago kolekana ase serikali ya nene mono ekero kuri yanga sector yo basombi ne yengincho mono bintu angurusi bire kura senseme mu cya senseme yende igo okinya ebango sensemeli ne chiwa effective intebingi sana nemono FA ni chigo kina akero kuri yenga FA kego kina amagoli ebintu na chigo kina kerendo mwanchi mulire torada sensemo yeskali actually skali yabirike gutira ligoli kegima kero kurigereria nga wikira bono iga ubone totwara shilingi 500 manya kuri sukari chikiro ibere aigo tuchiko kumanya nga ningiye kwera ligorire sukari ya bere ligo kinekero chikampuni chirichigo sie sukari chabere chikwebwatere na madeni kera investors bono ba edona ya bolire so kogendera ko invest chibesa asi chikampuni echo rinde bagendere kolete sukari kigimekero rochenga chikampuni une ya Chemilil Sony kampuni ya Muhoroni Nzoia ya Mumias abone gani kubabwa teli deni rinene na ndi machine cha actually chabile worn out chabile chiaili in short igombaga netinga na natural materials actually mbabwa atia bali bebe mesi na barabumba mbabwa atimesi aigona mangage ndeta kokoleka na chikampuni che sukari ye irire nga abantu korusia sukari kora chinse chiri cheisiko ugocha sense ya Kenya nyora kubwatikana nogo kiana we shilingi ya Kenya bunegendete ko ba week nabo ige dollar bunegendete ko mentally gori igo which means sekere bintu bikorukura sense isiko gocha sense ya Kenya ige bigocha neri gorire igoro okwera nendo monchorire nera kanyo ale faida igo tabanye bintu byaba important gocha Kenya maybe bika Mombasa monchorere bono rasoro kongorwa gusiko rusi sukari igo cha gwika gusika igo konyaranga ligorire abere ligokina aigo manchu muriento chiko kwanera mange boigo sense meri ya finance bill anto chikoligereria naki obo mabwazi miola moja bwa bere bogo tukuterale abaigo manchu muriento chikoligereria mange na kia serikali ya Kenya kwanza gendeta kuirobiria sokorosi uchumi kerwa bete bagotwara third international investment conference asibete bakora wanumura iwense bete gakoneki ngabo tumiki bimetandao yekerero asokoligia emirima sense moya basai no chikoba iwenge nchumono anomono koneki nga uchumi ngonchereliere chibesa ni nyinge chira chiko gotoka kurwa sense mejo igontu chikuliria sobo ime ninki kiabete ikego kolekana litkoligora imemo chyo Nairobi somo bagani oyomo chingaki abarai babete bagwikira na sense mejo hakolendo mwanchu muliria tango turaligereria sense moye ligoririe skali na kiaba Kenya bakuru birengereri byabo nkikyagereri ligoririe skali ya bere ligokina terongoliria Geoffrey Omwenga agatanga Uhuru Kenyatta left the sugar price at 140 per kg while Ruto amefikisha 240 Kenya ngaitogochi nindo che Dismas Ponuke agateba Ruto doesn't have the right economic advisors. For example, Kenya has a deficit of 1.2 million tonnage of fish. Now he wants to tax fish from China, which means those who import fish, it is either they leave the business or increase the price. And if they leave the business, it means the supply of fish will be low, hence price will go up. And then he's giving farmers cheap fertilizer, that is good. But about the price of seed, he wants to increase fuel tractors, which are used for ploughing, using diesel transport to make the market still unga will be high. Abagendeta ko birenga libabo kubwatikana nobokoreri be serikali ya Kenya kwanza nimo nachinga kibagendeta komenta ebango of course na betaka korwa ensemeri subsidy asense moyo boyo kulende ba Kenya na still ambaji kokonye kekiaga na ligoriria limbe ugose libatete gosimekera ligoria beteri gokina saikero kuriria na ndenga asense moya mafuta mbaro roma italibonsi bagutumika chiri gosimeka talibonsi bagutumika ko gosimeka mbaro roba bwate chie kachinyinge chimegondo ego buna Dismas yakore birengere libyaye serikali ya Kenya kwanza baada sinarororo ekomiza omo Kenya katukuligeria skali abantu mbatete amaguri katukulia nga chinsemo che Nairobi erika gatebanga ligoria skali kira obona iga 450 2 kg katukuligeria Boniface kora chinsemo chiri chia Kisii agatebanga abona iga etotenenerete 448 na wote yuduka kieyo moikirabu na into totale ngo torre nga magoria inabwente gumonchi muri genda gusanga na intwe ekerengeri kyago tumanye ngali gorire skali ndirelieli ase duka yago na otumanyia magori kero gwatali na kwara tutogora tale duka yemo kwara tara actually chiduka chonsi kwa manya wa compare rinde kwaranga nkayubwenete kugora esukari yago kurego mwanchi muri genda gusanga nento chinkitende gusanga imeyo murubire ga wense yobonjire kolende tetosa sensemo yebirengeri by'abantu kubwatikana nebango komento kwebango no murubiri bwokwagacha chinyomba chirigo lidense keima katwaro cheli tukole igoro ababwatani korwa sobo mabwa zimiola umoja babete bagweso kebene na gutuguterare kubolia gwe serikali ya Kenya kwanza igoro yoko nachwa abakora imirimo ekerengo gya 3% asumurubiri yo ngonde tumwanchi muri area tusange na barabo elinde batatei barabo ngakibaroche ekerenga likabaka twaroche nga humuraibwa bakase bunge upio wendanyi na bego Junet Mohamed mbabete bakorwa ebirengeri byabakera batugutera renga abone gaba Kenya nigo bageneta go strain na uchumi nende go chaka kubana cyumushahara nigo komeke abakenya bagendera go cyandika sama tukonsi kondo manchi muri tikango turaso sense media kabere ye studio toyiguna kibakorera
ya kwamba hii mambo ya housing hii imeenda wakati wanasema hii imeenda jambo la pili ni ya kwamba there is no taxation without representation. Mambo ya watu kuamua mambo ya taxes kwa barabara haitawezekana. Mambo ya taxes itaamuliwa na wabunge ndani ya bunge ambao wanawakilisha wananchi ya Kenya. Sasa kama wananchi wamesema hawataki kitu, wananchi ndio wako na nguvu. Sio mnayo? Sovereign power belongs to people. Sovereign power belongs to people. Ya pili, hii finance bill. Mimi nawahakikishia nyinyi ya kwamba tutaweka hiyo finance bill juu ya meza kama mgonjwa na tukate upande na ile upande chafu yote ipelekwe nje kama shakaola. Sio mnayo? Jambo la mwisho, mimi nataka kusema hivi ya kwamba wale wananchi ya Kenya bado wana discuss mambo ya tumbo yao. Si namna hiyo? Umekunywa chai huko na umekunywa uji kwa nyumba yako. Sasa hii nyumba umekunywa chai huko na umekunywa uji kwa nyumba yako. Sasa hii nyumba ndio juu ya mabati iko hapa. Si kila mtu ametoka kwa nyumba yake. Si umetoka umekunywa chai huko na umekunywa uji kwa nyumba yako. Sasa hii nyumba hakuna kitu umekula. Sasa kama chai ndio hakuna kwa nyumba, serikali walete chai na mkate kwa nyumba. Hiyo ndio kazi ya serikali. Mimi nataka kusema hivi. Hii pyramid scheme hii ni pyramid scheme ambayo wanataka kukusanya pesa ya watu ili haijulikani inatumika kwa njia gani. Lazima tuangalie kama wabunge na mbunge yoyote ambaye atasupport hii bill aende wapi? Aende wapi? Aende wapi? Aende wapi? Ya mwisho, mimi nataka kusema hivi ya kwamba hii bill iko na madhara mingi sana. Sio mambo ya housing peke yake, iko na VAT ya mafuta, iko sijui na VAT ya nini, sijui iko ushuru ya insurance, sijui iko. Sasa mnataka kuishi mkiwa kama mmeweka magoti chini. Wangapi wanakubali hiyo?
Mimi sina mengi ya kusema. Ila tu kuconfirm ya kwamba sisi kama Azimio Coalition katika bunge ya taifa, both Senate and National Assembly, we stand solidly with the workers of this country. And we are going to do everything possible. We are going to do whatever it takes to ensure that these punitive taxes are not okayed by the House. We are going to ensure that this Finance Bill 2023 does not see the light of the day. As I conclude, I want to tell the ruling Kenya Kwanza regime that the voice of the people is the voice of God. The people have said loud and clear that they are against these taxation measures being proposed by this regime. Workers are not desperate for houses. And even if they were, they have got the means of getting houses. They need
Vyake mao manchumuliria na bwatani korwa soba mabwa azimio la umoja tinga kibugendete kuru birengeri byabo kubwatikana ne mirobili serikali ya Kenya kwanza kondo manchumuliria karato kumulikera oboraibu abero bogweta kero kurigeria nga tinga kicho oboraibu aye mwekibaki nto abwate mirobili ase serikali yunabwo tinga kicho oboraibu aye Uhuru Kenyatta nto abwate mirobili nabo igobone ga soborai buaye William Ruto na abwate emirobili kone kero kurigeria emirobili yo serikali chonsi abire chigotwara emirobili nerero eranya gochirira kero kurigeria chinga kichoboraibwa emwe kibaki ntobwate Women Enterprise Fund ntobwate chibesi chogosira sense moyaba sam Land Settlement Fund Rural Enterprise Fund na boigo National Humanitarian Fund kero kurigeria kolengana norobotirwa Auditor General 3.3 billion nigo chiasoete asomorobelio Women Enterprise Fund asomwaka w'ikiru 2019 wiko mwaka w'ikiru 2019 no mwaka w'ikiru 2020 Still Women Enterprise Fund nigo yabwateli deni ya 3.37 billion ase konyara batarayirane kero kuriere na inde mbaira ni tebese icho kyagera nga kibese kichebete kigosirira gatigabo na inde nyoro kibese icho nigo cyarengete gosira abasubati abasaye asoko bakonya singincho yo kwegendereria na inde kero kurigeria se oboraibwaye Uhuru Kenyatta neragacha no murubiri Uwezo Fund National Government Affirmative Action Fund kero kurigeria nga by June 2021 4.6 billion konyora asensemo ya Uwezo Fund konyora nchira bachikoira ni gwakera abasaye nabo igo umurubiri yero gosira abasaye abasubati nabantu bali nobolema kero kurigereria naenda sensemo ya Hustler Fund mbacha sensemo ya serikali ya William Ruto na chaki umurubiri o Hustler Fund nabo igo Housing Fund kirabeteka kubika 9 billion asensemo ya Hustler Fund asomwa kurieta kero kurigeria nga 18 million Kenyans amba bwenete kwa chibesa gusego kabesa chibesa kurwa sensemeri ya Hustler Fund kurendo morobili nagendrete akinirende akero kuri limerobili yonsipi anige kumachikubweka na ikegere nigerengeta abasa nigerengeta abasubati abantu bali nabalema anamana kero kuri ya Hustler Fund era nigerengeta sensemo yaba unchirilia abo bwenete kwimiki chibesa icho nabo igokwa igendere serikali cyabere kigo cyane merobili yo kwene kinga ngusira bara abantu asingincho yo kwa igenderere kundo mwanchu mulirere nabotokwendera gosanga kero ngendete okubolya ngali gerie sukali ase ensemo yago nirengali ikire katete gotegerera bona sensemo yende nga nakiaba menyi ko ase county ya Kiambu babere bakurubire ngali byabo akubatika no kubolya gwe serikali asingincho yo morobelio abo womente semelie bango nabo igobo kwagacha chinyomba chekerengo gense kigima amba bete bagosangireria ebirengerere byabamenyi bensemeyo nabo igo gotware gikaro asbabete bago bitegerera nabo igo koigwa ngaki abamenyi be abe county yo bagendete kubuli serikali ya Kenya kwanza chinga kichiga ubugima bugendete gokonga kigima yo monchumulire yango tusange na baroboto iwene kibakoerera.
Thank you, Chair. My name is Simon Kuria Karema, former MCA Kiambu, Theta Ward, and also former Chief Whip, Kiambu County Assembly. Thank you.
Vice Chair, have something?
Chair, let me also welcome Jude Jomo. I served with him in, I think, 11th Parliament, and he's the man behind the controlling of interest rates by the banks. I think I worked with him very closely when I was the chairman of this committee, and we managed to push through that law, although subsequently it was amended. But I think you did a good job, Mheshimiwa. Karibu sana.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa. And interestingly, he also got a leave.
So maybe. Thank you, Chair. I first would like to commend the committee for. Thank you very much. I would like first to commend the committee for the good work that you are doing, and even for taking your time to listen to views of Wananchi on this proposed finance bill. we are going to be very short because we are not going to comment on every item or every proposal that has been done on this bill. And we are going to focus ourselves on what we think and what we have gathered from several people in Kiambu as matters that are going to affect them. The first one, Honorable Chair and members, is the increment of VAT from 8% to 16%. If you remember, petroleum products were zero rated for quite some time. And the 8% one was introduced during the 12th Parliament amidst a lot of uproar from Wananchi because of the effects that it had on the economy. Because in every sector of economy will be affected by the increment in the cost of fuel. The 8% cost of fuel will be escalated to every sector of the economy. Food prices will go up. Transportation cost will go up. Every sector of the economy will go up. Therefore, Mr. Chairman, I don't want to go word by word according to our presentation, but we saw what happened when we moved, when the increment was done from 0 to 8%. The same thing is going to happen when now the increment will be done from 8% to 16%. There will be an escalation of cost of living. I don't need to remind this committee that the Kenya Kwanza government campaigned heavily and promised the people that it will cut the cost of living. The cost of living right now is very, very high, even before this increment is effected. And the effect of further increasing this tax may become unbearable to the people on the ground. And I would urge this committee to really, really consider rejecting this increment in the VAT rate of petroleum products. The second item, Honorable Chair and members, is a 3% levy on housing levy. It sounds a very good idea that we can have many houses and many people who cannot afford houses will be able to have houses. But, Honorable Chair, I think what this bill is trying to do is to usurp the powers, my powers, powers of Ajiko, to make her own decision on how to prioritize on her hard-won salary by saying that you must first prioritize 3% of your salary to owning a house. Honorable Chair, many people in Kiambu are unemployed, and the few who are employed may not have housing as their first priority. In Kiambu, we live in small, small pieces of land, which we inherit from our parents, and which maybe we buy from land buying companies. And we would find it, even for those who are employed, that housing may not be our priority right now. We would prioritize education for our children. We would prioritize even owning land where we can do some cultivation. Many people are now moving to areas where they can get bigger chunks of land so that they can do farming. So when you tell them that before they do that they have to own a house, it doesn't make sense to them. In any case, this housing, the concept looks like it is made for the urban. So what happens to the rural folks who have no interest in going to the high-rise apartments in the cities? What is there for our rural people in this housing scheme, in this affordable housing?
Vyaka ima umancho mulielia abo nabo nagosebina byebirengerelyo byabamenye ko county ya Kiambu kubwatikana nimero bibiri ya serikali ebegete akonde karato koligelia Ense ya Kenya bali bagosiose Kenyan maize millers ani ko bagendete kwe murungani kubwatikana no gochika kwa bete gokorwa chia Ense miri ya Tanzania sabakuyi bitumakuru ngaba bakubwatia amachiko mbali gochikogora ebituma direct korwase abalimi akolende babwatia amachiko asibali bagwakana ebango babwate license yo bonchereria nabo igo bago comply na amachiko korwa sense ya Tanzania nige gochiko bakonyera kegera babete bako gugochika korwa sense ya Kenya bunamba chikuya ebituma korwa mutinyo gatatu goiko mutinyo 8 eyure tax free importation kurinde bonaiga nigo bagendeta kwemurungani kubwetkana no gochiko ku okoya asibaganeti serikali kurigererie ngani eyo erinde bagendera kolete bituma korwa sense meri ya Tanzania nyora na inde sense meri ya Tanzania foreigners mbaroro bakolete bituma gochia sense merigo Ense ya Kenya tirigo chigo deal directly na foreigners abonigo go deal nense ya Tanzania asibago chikubwate amachiko abwenerete igo which means sirigo riri obosi bado ndichikogendera gotira goike bituma togosimeka byabeire bikwama kondo mwanchi murire atia turigeria sense meri ya budget controlling tobirito kwene kyobukurumi ase amatuka mange korwa se serikali ikegera ngachi project inchiroro cyabiri chikubekwa abantu baye gukibesa cyabanchi guikirana ekero budget controller Margaret ari gukwana niga negatinga oberga gosoka kibesa kurende kibese icyumba kora chi project cyabere kigokorekana asibabete bagotware gikaro na kubeka emiroberi emenyia na kibago chikorwa ni obukurumi Ense ya Kenya abigo kwene kinga Kurio gochane project ya serikali merobeli nera kubwatia either written or fill form what steps are asoko ene kinga kitiria uchigoso kichibesa nero gochikoba accountable igo accountability ne yengencho asipone gaba bikira marago na kibago chigocha kimerobeli yo na kigo chikubwatigwa aliko ene kinga besa teyo kurwa serikali ego chigosira igo mwanchi mulete tusange na barabu toigwa sensemo yabo merobeli kibabe kira soko ene kiangango siribaro bukurumi asi serikali ya Kenya kwanza.
I have seen ghost projects and ghost payees as I carry out this particular mandate. So what have we done about it? Because as an office, with the few staff that I have, we have to do something at least to mitigate. Although we can't say that it is 100% successful. So we have drawn up templates that follow the law to guide those who are requisitioning the funds to ask for the funds in a certain format. These formats are in line with the Public Finance Management Act and regulations, and are also in line with other laws like the Income Tax Act, like, I could say many others. But we have picked all the respective laws and put them in form of a template. And we tell our clients, please put your requisition in this form. Do you think they do that? It's a fight every single day, the source of our corruption. We carry out M&E, that is ground truthing of the reports that we are given. And a lot of times we have found just what the head of public service said. Ghost projects, sites where gum trees have long grown, but where they are still requisitioning funds. Fresh requisitions, and there is no project. So we have this, and they are in my reports. We also have whistleblower policies, and we have encouraged the public to come back to us and tell us whenever they feel that something is happening. This has been very helpful, because a lot of times, members of the public have told us, oh, you remember that project that you are being told about, there is nothing on the ground. Sometimes we go there, we find the contractor running to the site with building materials.
Wealth declaration, the person who has filled it for the last 10 years, it's only his pay that has changed, the increment. The wealth stands the same. The pay, the normal increment. But the number plate of the car has changed about 5 times. 3,415 officers did not fill in their wealth declaration. And yet, it's mandatory under the various statutes. And this is oversighted by authorized officers and accounting officers. The fake certificates are oversighted by the authorized officers. We as a Public Service Commission don't have to tell them that this person has been employed today. It starts at that level. We recently advertised for positions in the service. An average, when you advertise for an average 100 posts, you get about 40,000 applicants. And sometimes I'll get a call from our reception telling me there is an old lady down there who wants to come and see me. Mtoto ameapply, hajaandikwa, miaka 5. And that's the only child that person has. They live in Kibera. She's crying. You find another old lady also coming in, crying. Mtoto ameapply miaka 5, mtoto ameandikwa. And she's crying in surprise that that kid has been employed, because they never expected that kid to get a job. But over and above that, I tell the public service that the public service is not an employment bureau, it's a service bureau. And what the president has been saying out there is that the wealth is there in the private sector. Us as a public service just have to create the correct environment for the private sector to create wealth. And when they create wealth, they will create jobs. But we need a clean, neat, integral public service. And all of us stakeholders have to comply with that. The laws are there. I don't need to belabor them. The Constitution is there. We just need to comply. The state appointments head of public service, the authorized officers, the accounting officers are your preserve. If they are not delivering, the president will not be able to execute his policies and what he told Kenyans when they elected him.
Convince them that corruption is not a way of life in public service. You cannot, because these citizens encounter corruption every day, and they have even factored in their budgets. They are even factored in even their time of executing any activity in this country. One good example is even in transport sector, that you get matatu owners and even transporters, they always budget for briberies along roadblocks. And it's official in offices. Chukua hii 2,000 ya leo ya police. They know every roadblock perhaps is 200. So they count all roadblocks and then they pay. So what else? What other evidence do you look for? Recruitment of our police, our military. Now it is obvious. When they hear that recruitment will be in August or July, people start preparing to sell their shambas. Because for sure, if you have 200,000 or 400,000, for sure you will get employed. And we've seen it across, all of us here know. That if somebody comes to, like chairman of public service, to be helped to get a slot, the chairman will not get. But somebody who has sold a shamba next door will get his child being employed. And for sure, you will know, you connect the sale of the shamba, an acre, and employment. What else will wananchi think. It is obvious. KRA, people have gotten used to. They know that the first leg of demand is to make you get aware that you need to prepare for money, because somebody gives you a demand of 100 million, 200 million, money that you have never made yourself as tax. You are invited, the negotiation starts. And then they ask for bribes. And then all of a sudden, everything disappears in the computers, in the high tax, everywhere. You are clean when you've paid. All the sectors have their form of corruption. And the president is very clear, very firm, and that is why we are here. As agencies that have been established, among other responsibilities, is to fight this vice. And therefore, we are encouraging you this morning that let us reboot and let us move out. For those who have mandates of prevention, let us move in and come up with strategies of prevention. We don't need new laws here. We don't need regulations. We don't need policies. We all have them. We go and implement and move with speed. Let us start simple. Let us enforce the laws that are in place. Let us enforce and ensure that our internal controls are functioning. Let us speed up investigations. Let us tighten it up. Let us not be selective. Let us roll prosecution as fast as we can. We have to have conversation with judiciary so that we move as fast as we can. You know you have the mandate. You know you are independent officers. You know the executive cannot order you to do what you are supposed to do, but the Constitution demands. And you know your officers are there because of the people of Kenya who has delegated that power and responsibility of your office. So it is not ours, it is not personal, but let us obey, let us respect, and let us execute what the Constitution has demanded us of doing it. So therefore, this is today's message from the President, that he wants dignity of this country restored. He wants confidence and trust by the people of Kenya restored. He wants to see efficiency, and he wants to see all agencies without any exception performing their duties and functions as is provided by law or statutes that established your offices. For the last 2-3 weeks, we have also heard that there are certain senior officers across government that they are still resisting and trying to protect those who even EACC have told them to step aside for them to carry out investigation. We are saying, if you are obstructing DPP, if you are obstructing EACC, if you are obstructing DCI, you will become a person of interest and you will be invited to write a statement why you are obstructing justice. So we are asking all of us across government that let our agencies do their job. If you think an officer is innocent. He will remain innocent if he truly is innocent. They are not the first ones to be told, go home, we do investigations. We have so many examples that people have gone home and come back because they are found to be not culpable in any way. So, the assurance from me and the President is that you have to discharge your mandate without fear and also without favor. No one, and let no one intimidate you, let no one distract you, and let no one try to influence you to do something that is against your call of duty and against the mandate that either the Constitution has given you or the statutes of this land has given you.
We have to have an honest conversation with ourselves as institutions that are mandated with dealing with corruption. And I would want to start with the acknowledgement that I think corruption has become systemic in the system, and that corrective measures must be put in place urgently. However, we can only succeed to do that if the institutions mandated to do this actually have integrity. And integrity starts with respect of the Constitution and the rule of law. My experience in the last 6 years as the Director of Public Prosecutions has been marred with a lot of tough wars, simply because institutions that have clear mandates opted to interpret the Constitution to favor themselves and encroach on other people's mandates. So if we cannot respect the Constitution and the rule of law and align ourselves, then, sir, we are not going to succeed in this endeavor that we are trying to do. And when I talk about constitutionalism, I actually mean that all laws must be aligned to the Constitution. We cannot have certain institutions operating under old legislations that do not conform to the Constitution. Because when that happens, then nobody will be there to respect the rule of law. We need to look into the institutions that we had and ensure that we have integrity in the processes that we are undertaking. If we continue working with the same officers,
Manche muriere haina ramiro bilegendete kubekwa sogokora ubukurumi ase serikali kono manche muriere tetoraso aso mutumukumukigo toskatonyegera kwentara sekeke Kerubo eri ntogende gusanga amange.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii Kwekera bono ayebunu mwagachi kwa manyire duka okogenda kugiye ibintu byose biriyo gukorera imirimo yawo Osmo Traders Limited nigo babwate kitari cyo kwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igokubeka sinyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo ekikobe kwesiko babwate sanitary wares ubuna chising chibakuricheze cyo cyonsi showers, towel holders, soap dishes, racks, mirrors na hand basins chirangi chonsi chiria chikuburukanibwa ne computer na boigo chiri spray paints no chire mbabwete chipboard buna chips and boards MDF boards na chip boards hebinto au biogokora plumbing buna PVC joints PVC pipes na chi water taps chonsi no chire boigo na bokugura chi cutting rods hood screws chigulu chonsi door locks chi pipe wrench spanners screwdrivers banyore old Sansura building angena Kisii main bus stage gusua Kisimi asenamba enotisano naibire eye mokianda inyeisano enotinye inyeisano nemo Osmo Traders Limited customer satisfaction guaranteed. Kero muntu nabwato muganoye kurweiburitwe goikasa ikireboniga kurinden kero igentekemo kebwatana numugano yomo guchia sumugano kabiri negentekyo nomukya bugwe tomakigima
Bema no manju muri on Ndizi karanda to kubwati mururi bumugano ne na leader Sofia ganda to toera no to koredra bageni bakirengenjo mugani to erro mugano ye ototeina nkia korire na nkia to kora Ense yoko gagira kira lituko lya Jumatano wojagira chinsa ibire chamaro baba yona riri bageri abene gukware ni asenjera ya bena kero
ekerenge kenene kyumurubulyo bwomuganone no kurbugusigeta buchia sumuntonde elionera nyare bwetoma gwikibirengo byigoro
lakini ngaikangalira ngotebo monenone abona chagitega Yesu nae tata umutori bubukima bwane gantike bungweke ukoigura higa
yegora
uigoro kunuri igengoreye ibintu bire mahomo sunte mebikoreki bisoke
tonya twa seri u uchisikege ita akaro mamukorera igatenentie gari ekarate ni gari akamote bishisha konigana nabango kwa naigo mama kumwerese rega naiga sio chambura
Yentekanga na kiwa Nairobi 150 shillings.
Brighton Makori ni gairire ribagerio na guisaransa nabantu au eriogo korentera imegano yabo Spexels Opticians abubale si kliniki kiagudika imeyo muchukisi nkurwa bare bokorali au asamangana ya maiso nako ni birole magiga jogo korenga na kumanyumu chandu.
Kwa majina naitwa Daktari Sigei, karibuni sana Spexels Opticians Kisii Town. Hapa tunapima macho tukitumia mashine za kiteknolojia za kisasa bila malipo. Tunauza miwani, frames na lenses tofauti na tunakubali kadi za bima.
Chiframe guchakira chishilingi chimia isano neiseto nemerongitano na boige setingima ase chishilingi elweyemo ne chimia isano ase ofa babuate etaraera.
Milango yetu iko wazi kutoka Jumatatu mpaka Ijumaa kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 11 jioni na pia Jumamosi kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 10 jioni.
Nigo bare angene supermarket ya Shivling na KCB Bank imeyomo chukisi na boko bakiresimi ase namba enoti eyemo enoti isano marakabire enoti eyemo. Spexels Opticians, Goodka Clinic, macho bora kwa wote. Ense ya bono nigiganetie obumanyi bwigoro bwamangana technology aigano edu computers egosoera email aba nigo bakonia na kurwo bokorali bwichi computer ashinchirengia etanitie ya butambe mbabwate chi computer bakoneria chisukuru chi college chi abisi nonya nayo monyene
aigase obokoreri kobeka tore CCTV twakora networking nabo igongo kobeka tore software na kolipea pia chi computer nabo igongo supply tore chi computer na chi laptop na byonsi biribire under IT kwa chichi institution mbalimbali.
Enyorere chi laptops, chi computer, chi mouse, chi keyboards, gamepads, toners, chi printer, laptop chargers, CCTV, chi camera, nebinde vinge. Tarigo ryoka, nkuru wabare obokorori bwa CCTV installation, networking, Wi-Fi installation, boigon korosi yabare chi computer, ekero chia sarekire, na software installation nebinde vinge. Ni gobare ase nyumba eyo yakarukirwe Uhuru Plaza, ekorokwa bono, Aliza Plaza, room nambe mie yemona isano na ibire, imeyomo chiobo songo. Wosoba keresimi ase namba enoti isano na ibire, enoti ayemo, isano, isato, isano na isato, isano nemo, inye ibire, gose, enoti isano na ibire, enoti ibire, isano nemo eyemo, enoti isano na isato, kianda inye.
Edu Computers, quality products and services at an affordable price.
Omwanchu muriria bwa television ya Ndizi TV mbiyamona sukoira chinsa chao na kuriria television yao na mbejemo yomunwa mweke Gusii bono onye kubwate nganende yonsi yukwe murungania woso komenta na bogo toikera ase gutwa kiresimi ase namba enotisano na ibire inye isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo gose otorikere yukorike ase email ya ndiztvnews@gmail.com voigo na bugotonyora ase mitandao yaito buna Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya Facebook, YouTube nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na voigo TikTok nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na bo ogututarira sichiabisi chito ekyo kirebo shobwe chiro ya embassy ekeroko genda nyakoe ase bara ekurwa Kisii kogenda Kisumu. Ndizi TV obwansu bwomu Gusii.
Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology ni chuo ambacho kimeidhinishwa na Wizara ya Elimu kupeana kozi mbalimbali. Katika sehemu ya kuwezesha vijana wanatoa kozi kama vile hairdressing and beauty therapy, electrical installation, plumbing and pipe fitting, motor vehicle mechanics, fashion and design na kozi nyinginezo. Pia wanatoa mafunzo ya wanahabari kama vile journalism and mass communication, video shooting and video production, audio production na zinginezo. Wanazo kozi ambazo zinatahiniwa na Kenya National Examination Council NEC na ni kama zifuatazo: Secretarial Studies, Information Communication Technology, Social Work and Community Development miongoni mwa nyinginezo. Pia wanazo kozi zinazochukua muda mfupi kama Computer Packages, Cake Making, Music Production na zingine. Wako na intake kwa kila mwezi. Wanapatikana mjini Kisii katika jengo la Twin Towers ghorofa ya kwanza. Unaweza wasiliana nao kwa kuwapigia simu kwa nambari 0705773142 au 0784663693. Pia unaweza wapata katika mitandao ya kijamii Facebook au Twitter Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology. Ni chuo ambacho kinakudhamini.
Welcome to Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology.
Alright, asante sana mwanchu muri wono Ndizi TV asomoro bwechinge kirutu kolia robuna botambe tigankwari bisanga mange tokuwa na mange abatangoro kwaterere kabuna ige tinginye kinga ini
Kiriyo bundi kiagache muri gotwaga sayo mwaye
embura kiego tugasayo mwaye
Tingigikero cy'omu Gusii no murobyo bw'igikoro cy'omu Gusii uyuri nekirenga ikigukomanya chimbwe cy'omu Gusii chinyenjo chinsoni amo noboroso bwomwanya gitinge
Rienga kiriga yarengo mwana igaro bwe ba matengi mago kwa kanyoru ase chiombe chia lisiriye gosine ndagara ya bande ombonto de bwensi nonya no omwama to ya okobeke ibo ige amate yarenge kurinda omwana bako mwana okina
muraria Vincent Onyancha nigo isaransiri n'abamanyi b'Kigusii iriwo konyoria kogosemia na gukumanya iguru y'Ikinyiga kirecho
museri irieta rindagoroku nyakiaye no muntu ore gokore gas ne chinguru chiaye arosie ndagera yaye na ndari ndagera yaye
enungutenene ebwate bisaku byose bibya ulimwengu engima yekoroku ekoroku tuwara gotebanga nengiya nindigetie nyemanye nengiya enuguteyo ekero goteba abasungu abayindi
twari tariki nere kira rituko ria Alamisi chinsa ibiri chia butuko na boigo moiroro rituko ria Juma chinsa isano nimo chia mugaso Enyagitari ya World Fit Health Center iye gutoka imijumbu chokisi nige kurwa bokorori bwa conventional medicine, nutritional medicine na herbal medicine.
We are professionals, tunabanyagitari tusomete enchira ya kawaida yo kurwa marwaire tukuruka nga conventional medicine, nutritional medicine and herbal in Malaysia. So ekero montago chese nyagitari yeito ntutoko make sure nga tuapimiro murwere bya twakorera diagnosis
boigo mbabwato bokorera bonde buna general consultation okolengwa ase laboratory nutrition services nutritional assessment weight management sports nutrition natural and organic eating plant based nutrition no bondo bonge.
So na kitoko kero montachiro bisito to make sure nga twamwa device nutritionally nga kya kwerena nga kya guitanga ko gukosoko nyora morwe ito gutumia amarioga kawaida aito gutatokorwa na conventional medicine twatumia mariogo akurwa sendagira munabono vitamins ama fatty acids na ndito mwenye gutumia amariogo akurukunga herbal medicine no tole enyomba ya Uhuru Plaza Gabo Songo goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A and then tubwate branch mu Eldoret enyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2 and then tubwate branch ndumuchi Okaratina opposite Absa Bank.
World Fit Health Center. We are different, best because we have knowledge on how to treat using both ways. Orogendo rw'iki kilomita chintambe nigoro tagito kweroberia utarachaka bwiariganiye kigima elio kogosoka oikiraniye eganka yao asumuru buryo bwesabaria yobonchoria nigo tokuririria inakie kerengererio kegunchuka na kobemeremo iyekorete ngeria yakira lituko bono Fridah Kerubo nigari asisabaria yogo korentera abantu baria bachagete kurwense bakaremereria
esabari yo bonchereria no murubiri koretwa asore negetaseni kia Ndizi TV kera litukolia Alamisi Ensa mone nusia marogoba astogotalera abonchereri imenesiko yorogongoro busi twasangana barabu esabari yabo ase oboyonchereria ngaibacha kerete mbitambukiro kiba imukiri asokwene kibunangu kini bare oboncherere bwabo nabo igokwa igendereria ase kera lituko
umerana nere kira rituko ria Alamisi Ense munenusu ya marokoba na boigo moiroro rituko ria Jumatatu chinsa isano neibere cia mugaso asumurubiriyo wesabaria yobonchoria ime ya Ndizi TV. Gesa hardware Kisii neduke konia ebintu by'ubwagaci asamaguri uranyari gwikera mbabwate chi tiles chirangi chugwa kenyumba chiria cha Duracord emirango chiboard cha Chipsam MDF boards chitap chiamache ceiling boards curtain rods door locks chichabi marble kitchen sinks na chain links na boigo nebintu binde binge batariri imiyumu chukisi.
Karibu Gesa Hardware, location ya ile Farmer Uchumi Supermarket Junction.
Asibabu ateduka ejire opposite NCBA Bank. Nedukende nigere ime yomo churungo magega ye Weighbridge ime ya Homa Bay nigeduka yabo ere magega ye stachenene ime yomo chukisumo nigobare asesemo ya Gorma ya Street ime yomo chonziwa nigobare opposite Wachonya Petrol Station naboko bakiresimi ase namba enotisano naibire kiandeyemo kiandainye isano naibire isano nemo gose enutisano na ibere kiandamara kabere ibere kianda inye ibere isano na ibere isano. Gesa Hardware Kisii.
Bei zetu ni nafuu, tunawakaribisha nyote Gesa Hardware.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'Gusii.
Mbia mano sana umwanchi mulebeta seni kia Ndizi TV chinga kita nitakusanga imeyo morobeli wense wonchereria asitoka nitakuimanya na aliaga nitakokolekana ase sekte iyo mwanchi muleria ngokwaligania sentunde ya kabere ili ndetoka nitagusanga sobwa mokonde nyira sinse mochichi mitandao sense mo ya Facebook na bako tonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bega sense meri ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News. Nindoche sense meri ya Ndizi TV News Digital nindoche Victor Omondo korwa Nairobi West ikatina nyakomo chapigo ikalia bwa Mondo na Mondo na Mwachange family bategerete bya kabisa hadi tamati mbia mono sana. Daidas Mbarabire awateba I'm live from Uganda mbia mono sana. Fidelis Kobiro I'm listening loud kutoka Kisii Sweneka stage niko ndani mbia mono sana. Matianyi Omondo watching live from hoteli ya Buga tuko pamoja hadi tamati mbia mono sana. Janes Omwansa awateba following mbia mono sana sifari moga nitakubwati morobili wense yobonchiri ya obono mambia. Kunde katokulielea Waziri w'obonchereria Moses Kuria nagendete semero biliyo kwa nekenge sekte iyo ngokorekanire wekirano nabeteka gutarire county area ya Busia sababete bagukwanira amangana na kibago kinya uchumi yechinsemo chiri omanchi muliri antete togetegerera sensemo yae nara yali babete bagukwanirana na bagugwanchirana ne county iyo mero belikiri barachikubika soko yenekenga uchumi ye county ya Busia ngwonchereria erikondo manchi muliri tusange na barabo ketoko so sensemo ya kabere ya studio toiwe na kibakoerera.
Busia ndio county ya kwanza ambayo iko kwa border na mambo ya uchumi iko chini. So we have a lot of potential in this county of Busia. Na Mheshimiwa Ense amesema upande ule mwingine biashara imehama huko. Sio kwa sababu ya agreements. Ni bidii na mwelekeo. Si ati kuna kitu tumeweka na Waganda wakuwe mbele. Bidii yako ndio inatutetea. Kwa hivyo mimi naona tuko na nafasi mzuri sana ya kuamua vile tunataka. Wakati ulinipea kazi, ulinipatia mambo mawili. Ukaniambia kwanza nishughulikie mambo ya kazi, ajira ya vijana wetu. Na ukaniambia hawa wananchi hakikisha wameweka pesa kwa mfuko. Wakati tulizunguka tukamaliza, Mungu akatupatia ushindi, tukaanza ile mradi yetu tunaita County Aggregation and Industrial Park. Yani mazao yetu mingi tunalima halafu inapotelea kwa shamba. Ingine tunaagiza huko nje ili hali tuko na nafasi ya kukuza hizo mazao hapa na kufanya aggregation, value addition na agroprocessing. Na tukaweka mradi counties zote 47, tukianza na county 14 ambapo siku ya Ijumaa tuliweka kadarasi kwa gazeti, na county ya kwanza ni county ya Busia. Hiyo aggregation ambao tutaweka hapa na sewa itapatiana nafasi za kazi zisipungua 5,000. Yani watu 5,000 watapata kazi hapa na sewa. Baadaye tukaona pale kwetu Athi River katika project yetu ya EPZ kidogo kuna jaa, na wa China, watu wengine, investors, manufacturers wakubwa wanatafuta kuhamia hapa Kenya. Ukasema kando na ile EPZ ya Athi River tuongeze EPZ zingine 5. Kaniambia tuende kule Sagana, pale wa Kirinyaga, pale Del Monte, pale wa Thika, pale Nakuru, hapa Uasin Gishu. Hiyo ingine ya 5, huyo Toma akaniambia ako tayari to put it in writing kwamba hakutakuwa na maandamano hapa Busia. Na ndio nikakubali ya kwamba vile uniambia tukaweke mpaka EPZ hapa. Ile county aggregation iko na watu 5,000 kazi. Hii EPZ tukasikizana na Otoma itaajiri watu 30,000 people. Na kwa mara ya kwanza tukapata kitu ambayo mimi na Omtata kitu tunakubaliana. Sio kawaida mimi na Omtata kupata kitu ya kubaliana, lakini hii maneno ya EPZ na hii maneno ya nasewa tukasikizana.
Inere mirobeli yabetege kubekwa asoko enekinga county ya Busia gukinere uchumi aya anamono ase bimeribili bagusimeka anabayigo ko enekinga mbali gochikurusi ebintu akoro ase chinse chinde bagusimeka ebintu ebina bayigo konia within a sense ya Kenya era chikuirera antabange ko enyorera amabaga yemeremo aho manchimuli etatosa sense meliende chingaki Ense ya Kenya egendete gutwara a conference ya gatatu ya International Investment Conference yegendete gukwerekana aso mu Nairobi yogukwanira amangana anene monokoro asensi ya Kenya sabara igwesechi delegate wetani chirubere abagendete goikerana alinde koigora orogongo rwa Africa ndometendo bwate chi opportunity chinyinge na chichi abara yawo babere bagochamo asoko enekinga ngo chigora bale alinde kokiania anene mono asense moyo kubura kwemeremo anena sorogongo rwa Africa nawega chingaki Ense ya Kenya ebwate mirobelio sibabwate 5 key pillars asensemo ya bottom up economic hasibabanete go transform achi agenda cyaba sensemiri ya cooperatives asensemo yo bonchereria nabayigo gukinia asensemo yo konyora kwabo gusugo sangereria kwabo igori tukuria igoro umara iwense nabetega kora ige ikare cyasibabete bagukwanira igoro yo gutumika ibe mitandao yekerera soko kuigora chi opportunity chinyingi anemo na sensemo yabasaye era chikoirera nga Kenya ni chigosangereria chibesti